Albatros Aircraft Corp of Calgary, an elite service specializing in aircraft charter, sales, aircraft management, and maintenance. For you and your executive team, Albatros Aircraft Corp offers unparalleled service in providing the most modern fleet of charter aircraft for any of your business or personal needs. When your business brings you to Calgary, let us bring you to your next appointment and transport you from Calgary International Airport to the downtown heliport in 3 minutes, evading busy traffic and the inconvenience of an executive car service. Albatros Aircraft Corp of Calgary is also the only commercial operator that operates both fixed and rotary wing in southern Alberta. Not to mention that Albatros Aircraft Corp operates the only executive twin-engine helicopter with Cat A performance in Western Canada. With Albatros Aircraft Corp of Calgary, we'll make your flight and every flight an unmatched experience, locally, nationally, and globally.